I built my life around this bright idea. I built my life around this insight I found.
Hello and be welcome to another episode of Let's Develop Bright Idea. Today's insight is about software release, because I really feel and have experienced that release is regarded something complex or even fearsome, and hell, I've worked in projects where release was really a pain in the ass. So I think it's worth spending some time thinking about what release actually is, what it means, and what we have to do in order to not become a victim of this kind of fears and problems that many people face or see or have a gut feeling about when it comes to software release. So when I think about software release, I find that I think about quite a couple of things, starting from getting stuff from version control, over building, over bundling, putting stuff somewhere, even version numbers. I mean, version numbers are politically important because the higher the version number, the better your product and stuff like that, you know. Then you have things like acceptance testing, usability testing, deployment, configuration of production environment, and actually getting this stuff out there in the end. So I see myself faced in a situation where we actually try to cope with too many things at the same time, because release refers to quite a lot of stuff. And I find that there's two major things that are essentially conceptually separate that we refer to as release. The first of those is like the technical kind of release, which Maven or Gradle, all these tools support, where you get stuff from version control, you build it, you run the automated tests, you bundle it, you update version numbers, maybe you add a CVS tag or something, and then you have some increment, some artifact that you have lying around and that you can use. And then you have the second kind of release, which is what Jess Humble in continuous delivery refers to as a release, which is actually the act of making features available to the end user. And these are really two separate things I see that we refer to as release. And if we are aware of those being separate things, then release boils down to doing two things. On the one side, you have this technical release, which is essentially nothing else than a regular build on your integration machine, build server, whatever, and that may be not different at all from all your regular builds. Maybe every build of your build machine is a release. Maybe it has, like in the Maven world, some special version number, CVS tagging or something involved, but conceptually it's just a build. You can run it with every commit whenever you want. It's fully automated and you have nothing else to do there. And then on the other side, you have this rollout kind of release where you take something you built previously because your schedule, your customer, your milestones or whatever required, or just because you want to, and you get it out there and make it available to the user, which can mean anything from uploading it to download site or to whatever, deploying it, distributing it over an automated update system like Google Chrome or Firefox does nowadays. So essentially, if we automate and do the technical release every time, it becomes really easy to do the second or to start the second kind of release. And if we decouple these kind of things, they can actually be done even by different people, which means it becomes more easy to do it. We can do it more often, which makes it again more easy. Sounds good? That's my 2 cents for this week on software release. I hope you liked it. If so, give me a thumbs up. If not, drop me a comment, send me a message. Anyways, keep me posted about all the thoughts and bright ideas you have about the topic. I'm glad to hear everything you have to say. And yeah, for the time being, I hope to see you next week.